Mr. Domurad, going back to the meeting on April 12th with the mayor, during that meeting, did you run towards the charter book as he described?
No.
So you never grabbed the charter book?
No, what I did was after he told me to remove myself from my office, I said I'll come back on Friday, and because it's already after hours. And then I went to the car and my office, and I decided I should clean my office out. So I came back to my office. Phil Robertson came into my office with some boxes. I surprised him. I was there. He thought I'd come back on Friday, and I was talking to Denise Denise. And when he came to my office.
Okay, I'm sorry to cut you off. I just want to know at that meeting.
No,
you never grabbed the book.
No, I showed Phil Robertson in my office when I had come back and cleaned it out.
Well, let's go back to the meeting. You never grabbed the book?
No.
And you never went over and showed Mr. Robertson the section you were referring to?
Not in the mayor's office. In my office, I did.
Okay. Now, during that meeting, did you have an understanding of what the charter requirements were regarding termination?
Yes.
Okay, what was your understanding?
Willful, unlawful acts.
I'm sorry, that sounds like the contract.
Yeah, I don't know what that
No,
means.
what that means if I
In the charter.
the charter, it says that I could be removed for violation of law, like embezzling or taking money.
And how would the mayor remove you?
He would recommend to the board of aldermen that I be terminated.
So you were aware of that?
Yes.
And your testimony is during that meeting, you didn't point that section out to Phil Robertson?
No, during the meeting, I pointed out, I said it to the mayor, I quoted it.
Oh, but you never grabbed the book?
No.
Okay. Let me show you exhibit. I'm sorry, a question. Now, you had asked the mayor to produce a document in writing for you?
No, I requested that I needed a letter saying I was terminated.
Okay, so let me show you exhibit C. Defendant's exhibit C. I have a copy of it.
Yeah, I got this on April 13th.
Wait for a question.
Oh.
Mr. Domurad, do you recognize that letter?
Yes.
Is that the letter that the mayor at some point delivered to you?
It was delivered to me via Phil Robertson on the 13th of April.
Okay, and is that your handwriting on there?
Yeah, chicken scratch, yes.
So you wrote that?
On the bottom part, yes.
And you signed that? You did?
Yep.
Okay. Now I'm gonna show you defendant's exhibit A. Your Honor, if I may, I have a copy for you.
Thank you very much.
Now, Mr. Domurad, you have testified that you're comfortable that's not your signature. Do you recall saying that?
Yes.
And do you remember the reason why you said that?
Because I don't remember signing a letter that had references to personal responsibilities. I remember signing one that had political differences in it.
Okay, so look at your signature. That's not your signature.
I'm not a handwriting expert.
Okay, I didn't ask. Is that your signature?
There's similarities.
Is that your signature?
No.
That's not. Okay. You made reference to signing formal documents with your middle initial. Do you recall saying that?
Yes.
Okay. So take a look at Exhibit C. Exhibit C is that chicken scratch you just referred to, right?
Correct.
Your middle initial doesn't appear on that, right?
Correct.
Okay. So, getting back to signing with middle initials, do you sign all city documents with your middle initials?
Yes, there's a copy. I think my lawyer has some copies.
All city documents?
As far as I can remember.
Are there any city documents that you may have signed without your middle initial?
Possibly.
Okay. Can you explain possibly then? I don't know, I'm confused.
I've been on my office locked out since the 12th of April, so I've not had access to it.
As part of your duties, do you sign requests for sick time, vacation requests, and so on?
Yes.
And if I show you a document, if I could just identify it first, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Do you recognize that document? form that, an employee would fill out and you would sign for vacation pay?
Yes,
You recognize your signature on that?
yes,
So, you signed that.
I decided this one.
Your Honor, I'd like to offer, unfortunately,
That's all
it
right.
comes from a stack that I don't have
That's fine,
copies.
don't worry about